Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Izzy coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, January 22nd, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 23 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 30 and a low of 18, with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Andrew, Damien, Vaso, Jasmine. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. Last night, the Blackhawks lost to the Tampa Bay Lightning by a score of 2-1. They will play Florida Panthers tonight at 6:30. And the Bulls will play the Boston Celtics tonight at 6:30. There are no clubs meeting today. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Izzy, good morning, Hoover staff and students. I think we're having some audio problems in some of the classrooms, so I'll try and speak louder. Just kidding. All right, we're gonna pull some Herbie high fives. I think this is the primary egg, but I'm not sure. Let's take a peek. Yes, this is the primary egg. We've got Blake in room 112. Elizabeth in 119. Sanvi in 119. Sean in 119. I think 119 loaded the egg up today. Let's see here. Lisbeth again in 119. Good job, Lisbeth. Got Giselle in 102. We've got Edith. It looks like Edith in Miss Rizmani's room. She didn't put a room number. Ayumi. There's no room number listed. It says orange white. All right, and then we've got looks like Michaelia in 109. Remember to write legibly. Last one, Jasmine in room 102. All right. I'll jump the second floor. Intermediate. I know our pledge people are excited. There's a lot of chatter going on back there. We've got Gabby in 202. Daniel in 204 and Monsi in 213. Halika in 202. Ruby in 202. We'll do two more. Aaron in 202. Mrs. Jacoby loaded up that egg today. And let's see, last one. Michael in 211. Remember to come to the office after announcements. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome, Izzy.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that koala bears hardly ever drink water? It's because the only food they eat is eucalyptus leaves. The leaves are 50% water. They will drink from streams and rivers, but they really don't need to. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Keep It Cool Bananas production team. Have a fun-filled Fruit Loop Friday.